Y'all know I love getting some new hair. Y'all know that. Kbeth here.
I can't be fucked with, no. Ho, you can't touch this, ayy. Bitch, I do rich shit, My money thick, ayy. Walk with a limp.
Welcome, Dae-T squad. Y'all know I love getting some new hair. Y'all know that. But today's review gonna be on Kbeth hair. Yes, another Amazon company. So let's get in tune. The hair came with this wig cap. Perfect color. This is the color cap I use underneath my wig usually. Okay, it's a middle part wig. This is how the inside look, and it's 12 inches. So today y'all gonna see me customize the wig and install it. No, I will not be bleaching my knots today. I'm gonna show y'all don't have to bleach your knots and still accomplish a beautiful hairdo. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Are y'all ready? I can't hear y'all. Louder. I can't hear y'all. I'm ready. Okay, I heard you. Okay, let's get into it. So this is the hair straight out the package. I ain't doing nothing but just put it on my head. Today we're gonna be flat ironing it, customizing it, you know, and getting cute. So I got the wig. The first thing I'm gonna do is flat iron this hair. One thing I could say so far is the ends of the hair is very thin.
Oh, shit.
I was flat ironing it on 410, and I don't know if y'all could see that, but the hair was melting. Like, some of the hair was melting. So I just turned down the iron to 310. Another thing I could say is the hair, it came with a little bit of scent on it, so I maybe should have washed this hair before I decided to install it, but it's fine. I'm going to finish flat ironing this hair and come right back. I just want to say, despite the little bit of burn I got because my flat iron was on 410, I'll say this hair is really soft. It came jet black, or I'll say 1B, and I basically finished flat ironing it. So now I'm gonna go in with my hot comb and lay this flat. As I said before, the ends are somewhat thin, but I don't really mind because it's a bob, you know. I don't want it to be too thick, so I want it to move when I move. And this is with no washing, no anything, no plucking. I'm going to clip the ends a little bit, but I'll show you guys. I'm gonna get my angled brush. Okay, now I got my edge stick, so I'm gonna just take that and go back in. Make sure those edges, those flyaways is laying down. I'm gonna go in and clip some of the ends. I took that much off. This is a nice cut, bob. Like, I like the way they cut it. Like, I like it. I like it. Kbeth. Okay. 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 This wig do have a good amount of flyaways at the top that I don't like. But so far, that's the only con of this hair. Okay, so I went in off camera and added a little swoop, whatever the case may be. Whatever the case may be, you see this girl looking bomb.com. Okay, so remember I said that when I went in with the flat iron on 410, the hair had a little bit of burnt fiber, whatever the case may be, on the flat iron. So then something was like, go back over the hair again with the flat iron. So I did, because like, it's human hair, so it shouldn't burn. So I was confused. So I went back in on 410 and it didn't burn. However, I'm still gonna keep the clip in this video because nobody's paying me to lie about their hair, just in case anybody purchases hair and they have that same problem. However, I guess it was just that one piece of fiber, whatever the case may be, that melted. But when I went in again with 410, it was good. I went in with 370, it was good. It curled perfectly fine. It bumped perfectly fine. I like this hair. It looks very natural. As y'all know, I did not pluck the hair. I just didn't feel like it. I just kept everything natural. And I just added a little bit of concealer and went in and flat ironed the hair. And it's beautiful. It's flowy. My favorite thing about this hair, that it came in black. It came layered already. All I did was just trim right here a little bit because I didn't really like how it looked. And it really gives me this natural vibes, like a beach face with this. Girl, a beach face, you already know. If you like this video, matter of fact, stop what you're doing. I'm waiting, stop. Go like this video. Leave a comment down below. Let me know when you're done. Oh, you done? Okay. Now go subscribe. You went to go subscribe? Alright. Now, that's it. Thank you for watching. Kbeth here. Yes. Bye.